Gotta get on the road. Heading to those world championships at Whynot, Mississippi. See y'all there. Well, we made it. How are y'all?
All right, man. How you doing?
Man, I'm wide open.
I hear you.
Yes, sir.
That's the main green stick, right?
Yeah, that's the stick. You know where that come from, though? I think guys at Columbus.
Oh, really?
He made it. I ain't sure if it was the last one or one before. That's on open with a way. Good.
Thank you, Bubba.
All right.
We got everything unloaded, set up, ready to go. Now we just gotta wait. So it's Friday night. We've got to qualify, and then we've got to run our heat race tonight. And then tomorrow night, I think, unless you like win your heat race or whatever, you'll have to go to a B main tomorrow night, and then the main show for the World Championship. So I had ran here 1 month ago, and I was about mid-pack on times and stuff, which with like 130 cars was not near enough to get the show. But came back, changed out the steering box, made a few pretty major changes to the car on how it was set up, the ride heights and the angles, and then the springs and stuff as far as load. And took it to Clay Hill weekend before last, which is my local track. Same size, similar shape. Car really was fantastic, really fantastic. So I was like, don't touch anything. We just did maintenance on it, went through it, greased everything, made sure all the bolts was tight, washed everything, and loaded it, and just worked on tires really hard. The tires I've got on it have got, you know, they were brand new at the Street Stock Nationals down here. So, I mean, they're fresh. So I know I got good tires, and I know the setup on the car rotates really well. So I'm thinking we're good. I'm thinking we've got us a good shot. So we're gonna head to the driver's meeting here in just a second, and then we'll get a couple of hot laps and go to qualifying.
I'd like to thank everybody for coming out and supporting us here at the Street Stock World Championship. Got a pretty good turnout. I think got 50 street stocks and right at 30 factory stocks. I think there's close to 18 602s and about 10 12 Enduro cars. So really good turnout. So we appreciate all y'all coming out this morning. Street stocks, we're gonna run 2 groups in qualifying, 4 heats, top 4 transfer to the morning night show. Again, street stock, 4 heats, top 4 transfer.
pins on the right rear. Very little adjustment. We're the first ones going out to qualify. So, well, it felt good, but that doesn't matter. What matters is what we did on time. Yeah, we're slow. Yeah, we were a 16.4, and there was low 15s. There were low 15s, and we were a 16.4. Shoot, I'm all the way down to tail. I'm buried. I'm buried in the heat, y'all. I'm buried. Dadgummit. Oh, need to qualify better. Anyway, it is what it is. good. Like, it feels better than it's ever felt, but I was going nowhere in that heat race. I think I started 12th, finished like 11th. But yeah, I was toting the left front a little bit. The track had slicked off right on the entry. Probably still should have left that half-inch spacer that I had added to the right rear. I probably should have left that in there, because then the track was still tractioned up really good center off, and it was pulling the left front up on me. It wasn't really pushing though, so I don't think that was really slowing me down, but it was making me not be able to just like flat put it all the way through. And I guess everybody else was just flat putting it, because I mean, I wasn't going nowhere. And I definitely was tractioning up off the corner. These boys were rolling. Anyway, so I'm buried in the B main tomorrow. It's 2 B mains. And I'll probably be like right at the tail of a B main, and you know, probably got to finish like top 2 or 3 in that to make the show. So, sorry, so regardless, I love it. Anyway, I'll see y'all tomorrow night.